Hey, so my name is Simon Fox. I haven't made a video in like let's not talk about it actually. So I recently got a little request in the comments, and I just usually like to respond to comments, and I don't like make a whole video about it because I just haven't really been in a super great place about myself. So I wanted to because I'm feeling pretty good, and it is the month of the gay, and also like I've recently done some pretty proud things I'm pretty proud of, and so I've been feeling pretty confident, and so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a review, just a review though, just a review. I'm not gonna be like too much. I don't know. But I also don't really have any editing software anymore because I got rid of my iPhone, and so I don't have iMovie anymore, which is what I edited everything on because I don't. I'm tiny, okay? I do tiny videos, okay? And anyways, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Okay, so the reason I'm making this today is because I got a comment on one of my videos, and they were like, "I know this is a really old video, but I want to know your like review about the Snoop from FreeToM." And let me tell you, I don't actually have the Snoop. I believe the Snoop is like a 4.5 STP. I'm undoing my pants right now because I'm wearing the STP, so don't worry about it. So yeah, I believe. Oh wait, no, they asked me to review the Robin Hood, but I have the Snoop. Oh my god. Warning, there's gonna be a peen in this video. Okay. Warning over. Here's the peen. Okay, so this video is probably gonna get flagged, but you know what? I'm doing it for the info, not in for the fun of making a video, not really for monetizing or whatever. But yeah, here's the Snoop, which is supposed to be like about an inch shorter than the Robin Hood, and let me just tell you that this is kind of the perfect size. I've been trying to find a replacement for the Buddy because the Buddy was like my favorite out of all of them. But when I reordered the Buddy because I gave mine to a friend, the make of it was totally different. Like the model was different and the cup was different, and that was really upsetting for me because I did not like it as much as the other one, and it did not work as well as much as the other one. And so I was like, okay, well, let me just go find another one and let me see if they have another one. And so I got the Snoop because one, it's uncircumcised, and that's super cool. Yeah, I think so. Plus, you gotta squish the foreskin in order for the pee to come out, and I thought that's cool too. I don't know, it makes it more realistic a little bit for me. And plus, this like they don't have the no drip lip, which I don't like because I tend to drip sometimes, and especially like beginner STPers, like they'll probably drip too. Like, I don't know. I like that safety. I like to feel safe. You know, that's not too much to ask. There's a little piece of hair in it. Don't worry about it. But you know what's cool is that this thing, which is like pros and cons about this thing. Pros, it totally covers everything. Like this can go all the way up to your bum. So it can like literally cover all of it. And that's pretty great. So like this in itself is kind of a no spill thing in itself. But what I don't like about this thing is that it's when you like position it back to, your packing position after you pee out of it, this is still touching my junk, and I don't like that at all because one this thing tends to get moist after you use it, and you can't really like, I don't know, dry it in like or like wash it in the sink if you're using it in public. Also, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm shirtless. Look at my post op. I'm loving it. I'm sorry, I'm off topic, but like I just recognized, oh hey, I'm shirtless. Anyways, off topic, but anyway, so if you're in public, yeah, you can't wash this. It gets moist. It gets on your junk, and that's not really good for you, especially if you're like prone to UTIs. So yeah, also, not gonna explain what a UTI is, but it's not good. And if you are too moist all the time, it's gonna happen, probably. So yeah, health is a concern about this. In fact, I have actually like thought about like cutting this part off because it makes me so uncomfortable to pack with. Um, to the point where like I don't even use it as an STP. I just kind of pack with it because I'm like afraid of the moist. I'm sorry, I keep using that word. I know it's like a uncomfortable word for some people. Trigger warning about that word. But anyways, this as a packer alone, I mean, it's amazing. Like these balls. Ooh, look at them. Look at them. And plus, they're like super firm. Like most of the cup is like not even in these. These are just like for the firm in the show of it, which is great. Really great for a growth test. But this in itself, this part is like super soft, like squishy and soft. And of course, it looks amazing because FreeToM detail work, and you pay for that detail definitely. Um, but as a comparison to the Robin Hood, it is definitely an inch smaller, and I personally like that because I mean it's not too short to use, but I mean I'm sure the Robin Hood would give you like just an extra length and a little bit extra control, I guess, but this isn't really not that hard to use at all, especially if you're small like me and you like to wear tight pants like me, or shorts like the the billowy shorts where you can like see your bulge like in sweatpants and stuff. So that's not very good. But look at this thing; it's so durable. Look at I can just play with it. I can turn it inside out. Ooh, that's nasty. Um, but yeah, so this, my review of this is I kind of come like, I've kind of gone through a few things already, but I don't know. I've gone through the peeing function and the holding it and the pros and cons of this thingy and how it looks, which is amazing. It looks amazing, and I don't know. It's just super comfortable to pack with. Plus, you don't have to use because of like I don't know, because of like how it like kind of holds you, you don't really have to use what is it called? A harness. If you just like wear so like little tight underwear like those briefs that aren't necessarily boxer briefs, but like they're kind of short, or just like the regular underwear with like no leg. I don't know what that's called. I don't know. Anyways, um but yeah, I would give this probably a buddy, the buddy would be like a 10 out of 10 for me, honestly. And this would be like maybe a 7.5. I just really love that buddy. Oh my god. The Easy Pew is also like, I would say that was like maybe a 9, 8.5. What did I say this was? 7.5? It's a 7.5, probably this one. Yeah. But I loved it. I loved it. I would say like the Snoop, this one, on the Robin Hood would be like an inch longer, and I don't think that'd be that much different. So like they're probably like pretty equivalent, but I just like a smaller bulge for myself because I'm pretty self-conscious about like what it looks like. I'm always looking down. I'm like, is it too big or like is it too much to the side? I don't know. But that's just me. Maybe I don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much what I gotta say about this. I wanted to make a little video anyways, and maybe like a little effortless, just to like to have something out there, and just to help somebody out, and it was fun. So thank you for listening. Thank you for bearing with me. I'm sorry if like I sped through this too fast. Um, it's probably not as quality as my other videos because I don't think I'm gonna edit this at all. But I don't know, it feels more natural, and I had a lot of energy to do this, so it's good. All right, so I'm done. I'm done. I'm sorry, I'm going off on a tangent, but thanks for watching. I hope this helped maybe a little bit. I love this STP. It smells like shampoo. I'm sorry, it's probably so weird that I just sniffed my peen. Anyways, I have to go. And bye.